To factory reset your iPhone 16. Start by backing up your data to iCloud or iTunes to prevent losing important information. Go to Settings. Then tap on your name at the top and select iCloud. From here, choose iCloud Backup and turn it on. Then tap Backup Now to start the process. Next, go back to the Settings menu and tap on General. Then select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Erase All Content and Settings. And enter your Apple ID password to disable activation lock. You will be asked to confirm that you want to erase your iPhone. So tap on Continue to proceed. If you have Find My iPhone enabled, you will need to enter your Apple ID password again to turn it off. Your iPhone will then ask you to confirm that you want to erase all content and settings. So tap on Erase Now to start the reset process. Wait for the process to complete. This may take a few minutes. Once your iPhone has been erased, it will restart and display the Hello screen, which means the factory reset is complete. You can now set up your iPhone as new, or restore it from a backup if you chose to back up your data earlier. It is essential to note that a factory reset will erase all data on your iPhone, including contacts, photos, and apps. So make sure to back up your data before starting the process. Additionally, if you are selling or giving away your iPhone, a factory reset will help protect your personal data and prevent unauthorized access. By following these steps, you can easily factory reset your iPhone 16 and start with a clean slate. Remember to always back up your data before performing a factory reset to ensure that you do not lose any important information.